So one fun little aside, I guess, that we're going to talk about are prostaglandins. So these are hormone-like molecules produced in cells from arachidonic acid. So what happens? So this arachidonic acid is an omega-6 fatty acid, polyunsaturated fatty acid that we have in our bodies. And when as a reaction to pain or some kind of injury, our body transforms arachidonic acid into this thing called PGF2. So that's what this molecule on the right is. It's pretty similar, but obviously different in its properties. So when our body produces PFG2, there's very potent physiological effects. So when you injure yourself, so let's say you jam your finger, something like that, it promotes conversion to PGF2, and that PGF2 is a hormone in your body that tells your cells all around it that it needs to be, that there needs to cause pain and there needs to be inflammation. So this is what's responsible for if you break your leg, why it gets so swollen is because this hormone that is produced based off of that injury goes around and tells all of your cells to protect itself by putting more water there so that it's less likely to die because of that injury. So it causes inflammation and pain. So the molecule or drug molecules called NSAIDs, I think is how you pronounce it, NSAIDs. They are drugs such as aspirin, Tylenol, Advil, or ibuprofen, Advil. That's weird. There we go. Naproxen, which is Aleve. I'll just write Aleve. So all of these molecules here, so these are what all they do is they block the conversion of your fatty acids to the PGF2 hormone. So when you're taking these pain medicines, when you have an injury or you see things that say that they reduce inflammation, well, how they reduce inflammation is by preventing the additional formation of PGF2, which tells your body to make something inflamed. So, yeah. Those of you that are working in exercise science, this is something that you'll definitely see all the time. I know when I was an athlete myself, or even still now, whenever I injure myself, taking ibuprofen and everything like that, you don't think about what is actually happening in your body. So now you know that you're preventing this hormone from being formed.